Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bobier Elementary School, home of the Broncos in Vista Unified School District in Vista, California. My second visit within 2 weeks to share another really important message. I came just last week. We talked about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, treating them the same way that you treat your best friend. Today we took it up a level. We focused on positivity, right? Being your best self. And this means that we're trying to keep a positive attitude in every area of our lives and with everyone in our lives. And it's easy to be positive on days like today. The sun is shining outside. It's beautiful, right? 70, 80 degrees. But on days where it's kind of cloudy, kind of rainy, cold, it's not always easy to be positive. However, we know that the storms and the rain in our hearts too can make us kind of negative as well. That we sometimes find ourselves feeling sad, feeling down. And that's why for this assembly, I wear this shirt. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you look down or feel down, it reads, keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. So I shared with the students, today, some of my own pain that I've gone through, some of my struggles that kept me down. But that was the motivation for this t-shirt, to have a reminder that we don't have to give up. We can keep trying, just give the effort, and know that just doing our best is really true excellence, right? It's not always being the best, having to be number one or get first place or get the trophy. It's just about giving your effort, giving your greatest effort. And if you give your all, you can look yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and say, look, I gave my all. 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, you're gonna get the results that you want, right? We talked about planting positive seeds, positive thoughts in our mind and in our heart, because whatever you tell your mind and heart, it's gonna believe. So hopefully we're telling it something positive, right? If we do that, we're gonna get positive results, right? Same with a gardener that plants great seeds in his garden, keeps the biggest fruit and biggest vegetables seeds, and then replants those for next year. They're going to get even bigger fruit and bigger vegetables. It's just going to keep going and going and going. It's the same for us. And knowing that different opportunities that might be difficult, that are stressful or tough, or a school subject, a friendship, a sports team or extracurricular activity that we're involved with, that even though things can be really hard, those can make us stronger. Right? Like the story with the butterfly and the caterpillar, that it needs that struggle in the cocoon every second because there's fluid getting pumped through its wings. So it can finally become the beautiful creation that we know as a butterfly. And that transformation is painful, right? It's not easy. It's becoming a whole new creature. But if it can just keep pushing and keep pushing, it's going to eventually persevere and all of a sudden become that just amazing creature that we know is the butterfly. And, we also have to keep in mind, to really, focus on what the opposite of success is, which is not failure. It's giving up. It's quitting, right? So many people have failed over and over again just to finally succeed, right? And so it's up to us to just know that we keep doing our best, we keep encouraging others, and hopefully they'll want to encourage us, that attitude, that effort is contagious. We do the best we can, and we don't have to compare ourselves to anyone else. We all know that we are true miracles, right? I bring this up in every talk, and we revisited this concept again today, that with the lines in our hands, we all have the letter M. And trace one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive. And if we truly buy into this and believe this concept, all of a sudden, things start to change. If we start talking more positively to ourselves, being kind to our mind, that's going to make the world a difference. And it's going to not just change our hearts, but it's going to start to change those around us in a positive nature. So thank you all for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Can't wait to see you again when I return in the fall for a couple more topics and programs. Until then, though, have a just amazing summer. Keep shining your light. Keep being your best self. Keep having that positive mentality. And as always, you can hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.